getting your mindset right is so fundamentally important before you start investing in property. If you don't get your mindset right, then things will go wrong. You'll give up halfway through a project. You'll let other people walk all over you. So it's really important that mindset comes first. Well, there are many, many books on the subject, thousands of books on how to get your mindset right, but what is it that works for me? Well, I find that there are two things that we need to do in order to get a healthy mindset for investing, for anything really. And the first one is regular habits. So positive regular habits, which are moving you towards your goals. Because when you move towards your goals, guess what? That helps you to provide you motivation, which then brings you momentum. So, and that all comes down to positive habits. And what I like to say is if you do one positive property action per day, then you'll feel like you've done something. Now that one positive property action may lead to more, may lead to like half an hour, 2 hours of work on property. But when you start out, it may just be one phone call to an agent. Do you have any properties for sale that fit this criteria? At least you've done something. You can say, okay, great, I feel better about it. So your mindset is already increasing, because when you are active, then that's when opportunity arises. When you start, then success can follow. The most important step along the journey to success is the first one, so just keep taking those steps. The second thing that we need to think about is taking time out. So we've got regular touch points, regular mindset things, but then we want to take time out. So this is about taking weekends away, taking days away, even just like a couple of hours where you can take yourself out of your day-to-day, out of your work, out of your business, out of your family, and just sit and do something different. So, because when you're doing something different and you'll take your mind off of any problem, mind off of what you're doing, that's when your mind can relax. Different chemicals start going through your head, and then that allows ideas, creativity to flourish. So you probably had been having a shower, and all of a sudden you get a really great idea. It's because you're not thinking about it. Your mind needs time to process. Your mind needs time to adjust, to come up with ideas. So just let your mind be the most amazing thing that it is. It might sound silly, but the number one person who's going to get in your way is you. So when it comes to mindset, we think one positive property action every single day, and then we think time out. So myself and Niall from Scott Baker Properties, we take a business retreat once a year. We go away for 7 to 10 days, and we focus on being out of our business, relaxing, and then focusing on some of the key issues whilst we're not in our day-to-day of our business. Also just taking your holidays, switching your phone off. That is so, so important. Book your holidays first, and then everything else can fit around it. That's such an important thing to do. And then coming back to those regular habits, creating space for yourself, for your goals, every single day. So thanks for watching. I'd really like to know what you guys do to help your own mindset. What activities do you do? How do you get yourself in the right mind to be able to be a successful property investor? Write it down below. We'd love to have a chat. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.